Oh my God, what was that? I wasn't ready for that one again. I missed it again. I didn't know it was another one to shoot up in the air. That wasn't a parachute, just shot a... I don't think it was a parachute. It shot something up though. Oh, there was a parachute. I didn't even know it was a parachute one.
Oh my gosh, don't buy these anymore. These suck. It's a spider! It was hard. But it was the right
What is it? Spider?
It's a spider one.
Spider? I'm not big on spiders. Oh, it is a big one.
It's a confetti one.
Oh, nice.
Shot off confetti.
Do you need a light again, Jared?
This one isn't
Yeah, it's a confetti one.
I didn't even know it shot something in the air on that one. I'm gonna be ready. I'm gonna try to be ready this time.
I don't like these ones. Maybe cover his ear when it goes off. They're loud for them. Yeah, they have 4 times higher security. Really? And they're loud for all. Yeah, that's what I was doing better. And that's what I was doing with David until I just. There you go.
You ready? You ready for me to do it? Let me do it this time. You do the camera. You do the camera. Whoa.
Okay, yeah.
I think it's floating a long way. I think that one's going a long way. Okay, stay over there. I'm coming. More of them are coming. Let's do it. Both of them, yeah. Put them both up there, and I'll see you late one. Not too close to each other. Here it comes.
just like him. Oh, I like that one.
Yay. Yeah, one more of those. We only got one more of those. And that's it.
We've heard that before.
Yeah.
Ooh, that was loud.
Cut that. Now look, spider sky. There's a Maverick parachute one, and then there's a look spider sky.
That's it, I think. Yep. I think they're fountains. The rest of them.
Ternosian turn around. Unless we want to do any of the.
No, the smoke bombs aren't that exciting.
Saw me from
He's in the